Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to read Wattpad stories without app. So in order to read the stories without the Wattpad application, you can do it in the browser. Open any browser of your choice. Tap on the search bar. After you do that, search for wattpad.com. You'll be led to the official website of Wattpad. Make sure you're logged in to your account. In the home interface, you'll be able to find various stories that you can read. You can also search for this story by tapping on the search icon that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, you'll be able to browse the stories by the categories. You can also search for it by tapping on the search bar. Now simply type in the story or people that you want to search for over here. Search for it. You'll be able to see the results. Tap on the story that you would like to read. Now you'll be able to see the story details. Tap on the option Start Reading that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you can start reading the story even without the Wattpad app. So like this you'll be able to read Wattpad stories without the app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.